Alam ko na talagang may anak na talaga kami na TJ. Si Gian talaga yung
Oh, hindi naman.
nandiyan ang tatay mo. Magay ka sa tatay mo.
Hi, Dad! Nandiyan si Dad.
Pumunta talaga yung tatay mo dito. Sabi niya manonood talaga.
Hi, Daddy Peach. Yes. Di ba?
Hindi, pero I just wanna tell you how proud I am of you. Guys, nakita niyo naman yung video. Hindi ko siya ganyan doon. Naka-sports attire. Si Gia, nanood ng concert.
Hindi, yung kwento kasi noon, nag-try hard talaga akong mag-KZ vibes na outfit naman. Alam yan ang ate ko. Ang nakita ko lang, SM Youth. Ang choices ko lang, stripes, tsaka motor.
Anak ko talaga siya. Oh my gosh.
Kita nyo naman, no?
Pero baka
Obvious ba?
sabihin, Tulas Lonely People yung duet namin, pero
Kala nyo mag-ano kami dito.
magme-message ako saglit.
Ay, okay, okay.
Hindi kami pwede magsama neto ni Gio. Uubusin namin yung oras niyo. Hindi, ako, seryoso na, I'm just really very proud of you. Yung courage na pinakita mo nung time na yun, noong 2018, na pinakita mo, I wanna sing with you. That's the attitude that got you here tonight. Minsan kasi meron mga artists na alam naman nilang marunong silang kumanta or there's something that they're really passionate about, pero wala sila ng courage to actually reach for that dream. And that is what you have. And that is why you are here in front of these people. And yan yung nararamdaman nila, hindi lang sa iyo, kundi sa buong Kabugyo, na lahat kayo ay nandito dahil gustong-gusto niyong ginagawa yung ginagawa niyo. So maraming salamat for even acknowledging that I was part of that journey. But that is all you guys. Your hard work, dedication, dugot, pawis, lahat na. Habang nag-aaral, oh my gosh, I could never.
Not anymore. Hindi ba? Babalikan. Kung balikan, marami.
Hindi, pero yun. I'm just really proud and congratulations. I love you guys. My gosh, anak mo na dito.
I love you, Mom. Ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen,